Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to conduct an independent samples t-test, or what is known as a two-sample t-test in Excel. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have the data analysis toolpak installed in Excel. And if you don't already have that installed, I have two videos that can help you, one for Windows and one for Mac. So today we're going to be using the Coastal Star sales data, and this has information about salespeople, current sales, and previous sales. So the way we're going to conduct this two-sample t-test is first we need to conduct an f-test to see if our variances are equal or unequal, since we have that option here in our t-test. And so we'll conduct that f-test, and our variable we're going to be looking at today is previous sales. And so we will take the first variable, since we're going to be looking at the northern region versus the southern region here. And so we will take that, and that is what we've selected for the southern region. And we don't have labels, so we won't check that box, and then we'll click OK. So what we're going to be concerned about here is this p-value. And this p-value, if it's greater than 0.05, then we will be assuming equal variances. If it is less than 0.05, we will be assuming unequal variances. And so for this, we're going to be assuming equal variance because this is greater than 0.05. So we can now conduct our t-test. And what we'll do is we'll go to the t-test to sample assuming equal variances. And our variable 1 is going to be that northern variable. And then our second variable is going to be the southern variable. We do not have labels. Our alpha is 0.05. And we can also look here. We're going to be concerned with the OneTail test here. And for us, what we want to say is if it's less than 0.05, then there is a difference in the means. However, if it's greater than 0.05, there is no difference in the means between the two variables, or groups, I should say. So that is it for how to conduct an independent samples t-test. You first need to conduct an f-test to assess the variance, whether it's equal between the two groups. And then you would conduct your t-test based off your f-test results. If you have any questions about this, please email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu.